Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to simplify 60 divided by 1/3 of 6 plus 2. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's find out. So there is division of and addition. So it's very confusing from where to start. So we have rule, BODMAS and PADMAS rule that helps to give the priority of the operation. So it says that if you have bracket, first solve the bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, addition, and at last subtraction. So if we have of first, so we will solve this part and write the rest part as same. So 1 by 3 of 6 is 1 by 3 times 6 plus 2. So 60 divided by 1 by 3 times 6 is 2 plus 2. Now we have division and addition. So we have to give preference to division. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. That's how you can solve this type of problem with the help of BODMAS rule step by step and you reach at your correct answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.